Hi guys, welcome to Svelte Training. My name is Coach Sam, and today I'm going to be sharing with you a pesto sauce. We share lots of recipes on the Svelte Training on nutrition. We have baking, we have all of the yummy lunches and desserts, but I want to share with you a sauce that you can put pretty much on anything, not pasta though. Before I get started, I'm gonna blend it all together with you. I'm going to share the ingredients and a little bit some fun facts that go along with it. So we have here cilantro, we have parsley, pistachio nuts, Parmesan, which is grated, lemon, garlic, extra virgin olive oil, some non-fat plain Greek yogurt, and we're just pretty much gonna blend it all together. It's gonna become a nice, thick sauce for you. So first we're gonna start with 1 cup of the cilantro. The difference between a cilantro and parsley, the leaves are a little bit more together versus open. Then we have our parsley. So I know a lot of people assume that pesto is made with a basil, and then chimichurri is made with a cilantro. Fun fact, it's actually the extra virgin olive oil that what makes it a pesto. It binds it together, where chimichurri, you use more of white vinegar base, so that is what makes everything blend together. So then we have 1 tablespoon of non-fat plain Greek yogurt. We have 1/3 cups of our grated cheese. We have 1/4 cup of our pistachio nuts. And then we have 1 freshly squeezed lemon. I'm gonna put my hand over that just to catch any seeds that come out. I promise I washed my hands. And then to the other half, if you roll the lemons, you'll get a nice, more juicier lemon versus a very hard lemon. So before you slice it and cut it, you can definitely just roll it and get all the juice in one spot. And then we have here some chopped up garlic, about 1 clove. So all of that's mixed together. All the ingredients are really good for you. You're more than welcome to use avocado oil instead of extra virgin olive oil. Lemons are really good antioxidant. So let's put this all together, and I'm gonna blend. It's gonna get loud. All right, so our pesto is all done. Nice thing about pestos and sauce, you cook it with the foods. You don't have to necessarily cook the actual sauce. You just wanna make sure that the pistachio nuts are just fully crushed and crumbled so that you don't get something that's too chunky, and getting all of your leaves nice and chopped. And voila, I've made a little mess. And there you go. And the sauce can be good on anything like a zoodle, or if you like any kind of meats. A good pesto sauce on a steak is very yummy. So check out all of our recipes from Svelte Training. Like, subscribe, learn some more, and we'll see you guys in the next one.